Thank you for watching our channel and our course. We are providing services for proofreading, article formatting and citation management. And there are much more about the services. For more information, you may contact us on the provided contact details. Thank you. Welcome to the 10th lecture of academic writing, and today we will discuss the proofreading about spell check. You can use any effective software about checking the spelling, and mostly Microsoft Office or writing pads comes with the built-in spell checkers, and you need to pay attention to the homophones and technical terms. The next thing is search for common mistakes. Focus on words that you might likely mistype. For example, from and from. You need to focus that what thing you want it to write from or from, because these spellings are closely related, and one might have this mistake whenever he's typing in very speedily or fastly. Use a spell checker to rule out any tangling participle by searching for all ing forms. It is advisable to print out your draft and then proofread on a paper, and only focus on that line you are reading and cover other lines with some blank sheet or paper. You need to read the sentences backwards. It will help you focus on spelling rather than being distracted by the meaning. This is very helpful technique. Otherwise, maybe in fluency you are reading and you may avoid some mistakes. You may miss some mistakes. Be aware of autocorrection functions. Some spell checkers also provide an autocorrection function, but this is not infallible. So pay attention about autocorrection features of spell checker. Always check the replaced text makes sense and means that what you are intended to say. Consult a dictionary when in doubt. Many words in English have similar spelling but very different meanings, such as illusion and allusion, principle and principle. And in this regard, I will also refer you to British and American English Guide. Go to the previous lectures and see the lectures on British and American English Guide. I hope you understand about this spelling check. I want to give you some tip that you can use some software, advanced software such as Grammarly or some other type of software that provide an appropriate grammar and spelling checking, and to not pay attention, but you should not solely trust on the software. Rather, you need to check manually so that if anything happened by mistake, you can correct it and your draft will be accurate.